We have another broken PC destined for the dump. However, we are not going to let that happen. We spent $35 on this dusty gem and we're going to bring it back to life. And the best thing of all, compared to all of our previous PC builds, this one has a GTX 1050. So how will it perform? Will it perform at all? There's only one way to find out. Let's get cleaning. Well, we can see the PC is broken on 3 legs, but hopefully all the hardware works. So let's give it a try. Oh, that is so good. Straight to the BIOS. That doesn't rule out any hardware failing, so we're still gonna have to do some testing, but I'm so happy for that because this is a higher end GPU than what we've been getting. So hopefully we can play some 1080p gaming on this entry-level gaming PC. Let's get it clean. This PC is gonna perform incredible, but today's video sponsor will get us even more performance out of our PC. If you were tired of lagging, you need to try Hypertune. Hypertune lets you optimize your PC in just a few clicks. CPU and GPU tuning, network and Windows optimization, game-specific profiles, process monitor, disk cleanup, plus an optimization score so you know what's possible. Here is a side-by-side before and after. It's built to work alongside Intel and AMD. So instead of upgrading your GPU for thousands of dollars, give Hypertune a go. They have a 50% off sale happening right now if you use my link in the video description. The case itself isn't too bad, a little bit of surface dust. That'll come off with the hose and a bit of a wipe down, and then down the bottom, little bit of rust, but it's not too bad. I'm pretty sure that'll come straight off. Our cooler, the thermal paste was actually pretty good. However, we do have a lot of surface dust. Also some harder specs on the inside that have developed. I'm not exactly sure what that is, kind of like a buildup of corrosion or crystallization or something. And then we have our little bracket here, which has a lot of surface rust there. So we'll put that in a CLR solution, let that rust be eaten away, and it should look good afterwards. Our beautiful little GPU doesn't require any external power. It is a GTX 1050. The backside, a little bit of rust on the screws, a little bit of surface dust. The front side, a bit sticky on the fans. It's got like a black tar. So we'll pull this completely apart, new thermal paste, and clean this right up. Our motherboard is a Z370M gigabyte motherboard paired with an 8700K, one of the best CPUs that we have gotten in some of these secondhand PCs. A little bit more of a higher end build, which means we're going to be able to play gameplay at a little higher settings and higher FPS. I cannot wait to test it. In terms of the dust, it just looks like surface dust, nothing the toothbrush can't handle. Our power supply, as to be expected, surface dust on the top, and on the back, we noticed it was a little bit wet. We've also a little bit of rust on the case, so I don't know if something was dropped inside the case or not, but we will check this out on the inside and make sure it's all nice and clean. Our fan, a little bit sticky on the backside, on the front, little bit of surface dust. The sticker's peeling off. I'll probably take that off anyway because it is an ugly sticker. Nothing a little bit of isopropyl alcohol cannot handle. For the RAM, we've got HyperX Predator DDR4, 32 gigs in total. Honestly, it's not too dirty. Little bit of surface dust, but that'll come off pretty easy with the toothbrush. Now that our PC is complete, we are trying out a brand new monitor from UPerfect today, which honestly I think is going to be perfect for this system. Now this monitor is completely unique, and you guys will find out why in a second. At first you may have been thinking, oh, big laptop, but no, this is actually a dual 1080p screen. Very unique, perfect for this system. Let's get it set up. This is the UPerfect BE238CF monitor. It is a dual stacked 23.8 inch display. IPS panels, so the colors are looking fantastic. Not too much glare as well, which is perfect for gameplay. And it's 100 Hertz, which is incredible for gaming. But not only for gaming, this is a productivity beast. At the moment, we have a mirrored screen enabled because we only have one cable coming out and straight into the GPU. If we wanted two separate displays, we'd plug in our second cable straight into the GPU or into a laptop or into a Mac or into any console, because this screen is compatible with all of those. In fact, I could even plug it into my phone. But what I really love about this is because it is a fold screen and it has the stand at the back, it is great for portability. Simply fold it up, put it in its carry case, and we can take it wherever we like. It's even got a VESA mount built in and dual speakers. Let me show you what makes this so unique. First of all, we can completely fold this forward, all the way, or we can go all the way backwards and have a monitor on the opposite side if someone wanted to be watching on this side. We could also bring it down into kind of like a laptop position. So this is great for creators, artists. So you can actually have a dual screen right now, kind of looks like it's sitting like a laptop. However, you've got your screen down here and your screen here. Some people like that type of workflow. I think it's pretty cool. And what stops it slipping is the rubberized feet here on the bottom. And then to make this even better, we've actually got this little bracket on the back, which can be moved different directions to give us more ways of mounting this monitor. So if I wanted it standing back up, I put it in place, then I open that top monitor. Honestly, the amount of different angles that you can mount this system is pretty vast, so just get creative. In terms of gameplay, being an IPS panel means that we've got some pretty good colors, and we don't have too much reflections, which means that, honestly, it looks like a good gaming experience. Not to mention, with this PC, we are getting about 190 FPS. The GPU is at 70 degrees, the CPU at 49 degrees. So it's actually quite a nice experience gaming on this monitor. It comes with free worldwide delivery, a 2-year warranty, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it out. If it's not for you, you can return it risk-free. And they've also given us some codes for our audience if you want to get it cheaper. I'll leave those in the video description. Man, you gotta love when things just work. I mean, an 8700K with a 1050 for 35 bucks is pretty much unheard of. But that's what you get when a company is getting rid of 34 PCs and they really don't care where they end up. I mean, they were going to chuck them in the garbage. So, I mean, it's a win for us. Let us know in the comments, guys, if you enjoy videos like this, because we'll continue to do more. Perhaps we could even start doing a bit of modding to these entry-level gaming machines. I mean, seeing that FPS is quite reassuring and exciting. Definitely capable of 1080p gaming on those less intensive games. If you enjoyed this video, then you're going to love this one where we fixed up another gross, dirty, broken PC. Go and check it out. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.